So students, we are here again for the practical demonstration of the foreign cuisine and the culinary management subject. Today I am here for another famous dish of Italy, of the Italian cuisine, which is called risottos. Risottos are the preparation of the special rice which we are getting in Italy, and they call their rice preparations as risotto. And they use the famous arborio rice, which is a small grain rice, in the making of risottos. Today I'll demonstrate the famous dish of Italy, which is called mushroom risotto, and I'll tell you the ingredients, then we will cook the dish, and then we'll see the demonstration. And it is a very famous dish of Italy, and it is eaten all over the Italy, in every region of the Italy. Generally, as we have studied in our theory classes also, there are around 13 regions of Italy. Italy is a very famous country for its food, and it has given a major contribution to the European as well as Western foods and the Mediterranean cuisine. First, I will show you the ingredients of mushroom risotto. In mushroom risotto, we use mushrooms, then we use green onions, then we use famous rice, which is called arborio rice, which we have soaked already to cook. You can see they are soaked in the water from last 1 hour, and we'll cook this arborio rice with the mushrooms, and we'll add the wines also to the food. Then we also use the white wine, the famous white wine we will use. Then we will also add the spices like oregano and rosemary to the mushroom risottos, and then we'll also add the black pepper powder. We'll also add the vegetables, the cuttings of different vegetables like beans, and the dices of carrots we will add, and the dices of carrots also we will add. Then we will also give the flavor of garlic, the flavor of chopped garlic. And with this we will then cook the rice with the help of Parmesan cheese. With the help of Parmesan cheese we will cook the rice, and I'll show you everything. Now I'll show you the cuttings of the different vegetables which we are using in mushroom risottos. I'll start with the carrots. See, we have done the dices of carrots. Similarly, we will do the small and very thin dices of French beans. We have done the dices of carrots. We have done the dices of French beans. We'll do the thick juliennes of mushroom. I'll show you how we'll doing the thick juliennes of mushrooms for mushroom risottos. See. This is the way how we'll get the thick juliennes of mushrooms. Similarly, we will chop the onions. See the thick juliennes of mushrooms we have done for mushroom risotto. Now we'll do the chopping of onions. Our cuttings are done. Our cuttings are ready, our preparation is ready. So we'll start with the dish, how we will make the mushroom risotto. We'll take a butter or olive oil, anything we like we can take for it. We are using the butter. After the butter is melted, we will add the chopped garlic. We'll add the chopped garlic and we will golden brown it. Our onion is golden brown. We'll add the chopped onions to it after the garlic. Our garlic is golden brown. We will add the chopped onions to it. Onions for the mushroom risottos have been cooked up. Now we'll add the other vegetables. First we will add the mushrooms. The thick juliennes of mushroom we will add. We will cook it for few minutes. We will add the small dices of carrots and beans also. You can see, students, you can see the mushrooms, the onions, the dices of carrots and beans are so evenly cooked up. They are 90% of the cooking is done. And to it, we will also add the white wine. We will add the white wine to it so that the flavor of wine is incorporated with the dishes and the flavorful, delicious risotto is prepared. Similarly, we will also add the oregano with the vegetable, so the flavor of the taste of the oregano is also incorporated. Similarly, we will add the rosemary to it. They are the very flavorful spices of Italy. Salt we have already added, and we'll also add we'll also add black pepper to it. You can see that the vegetables are cooked. The vegetables are cooked with the white wine. Now we will keep aside the different vegetables which we have cooked. We'll keep aside and we'll start the cooking of risotto. And with this we will mix the mushrooms also. That will be our next step. The vegetables, the mushrooms are cooked. Now we will start with the cooking of risotto. Now we will start with the final preparation of risotto. We'll add butter. We'll heat up the butter, and to the butter we will add the rice. The rice we will saute for few minutes. We will saute the rice for few minutes, and then we will add a vegetable stock to the rice. You can see that our rice are sauteed. The preparation of mushroom risottos is going on, and we have sauteed the rice. To that we'll add the stock little by little. This is the way of cooking the risotto. We add the stock little by little till our rice is cooked up. You can see the cooking of the rice. As soon as the water evaporates, we'll add more stock. We will add more stock to it, and we'll cook very evenly. We'll cook it very evenly and very slowly. Basically, this is the slow preparation of the rice. Slow cooking of the rice is done. We'll not add the excess of water. As soon as the water evaporates, we'll add step by step. We will add the stock. Students, you can see that the rice for the mushroom risottos has been cooked up so evenly, and fine cooking it has been done. And now we will add all the vegetables which we had earlier cooked in the white wine. We'll add to the risottos, and then we will again cook it by adding both the mixtures. We'll cook the mushrooms and different vegetables with the rice, in which we have added the white wine. And while cooking, we will add the cheese also, the famous Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese we will add to the risotto. Students, you can see the dish mushroom risotto is cooked. You can see the color, the texture of the dish, and the famous dish of mushroom risotto. It has a great flavor of mushrooms, then white wine, and you can see how the vegetables are incorporated inside the rice, and we are having a good taste, good flavor of the vegetables and white wine and thyme and oregano, all the spices which we have used. Now I will show you the presentation of the dish. Students, now you can see the presentation of the famous dish of Italy, mushroom risotto. We have cooked the famous arborio rice with the mushrooms in a white wine, and some vegetables also we have added, and then we have added the cheese, and also we had garnished it with the Parmesan cheese. So this is the famous risottos, the mushroom risottos, which are famous in the regions of Italy.